My name is Monika Aufdermauer. I'm the VP of User Success at KOHO. I have been a Zingtree customer for a really long time. I actually originally found them on the desk.com app store in or around the end of 2014. I was looking for a decision management tree, and they offered that at a great cost. I think the onboarding process I had was a lot different than what you have today. When I joined, it was pretty much self-service, really small company. When I've onboarded at newer companies in recent years, it's been pretty hands-on, and they help us a lot with building out trees and new functionality that's coming in. My relationship has evolved because I am not just using it as a decision management tool anymore. We're actually using it as a knowledge-based replacement for our team. So our IKB has been completely replaced with Zingtree. We're trying to work to integrate it in as many places as we possibly can to help make our agents' lives a lot easier. We use Zingtree today as a process management tool and IKB replacement. So our agents are in it for every ticket 100% of the time to make sure that they're following the right processes. We're a financial services company, and so it really helps us with making sure that we're compliant and doing the right things in the right places at the right times. It makes it a lot easier to follow. There's a lot of information that our team has to know, and if they don't have to know it at the top of their head, they're able to follow a process. It makes it a little bit easier for them to feel less anxiety and be able to complete processes much more effectively. I think that it's one of the tools that I've carried with me through numerous companies. I think that this is the third company I've signed a contract with Zingtree with. I think that they have definitely helped me in building the teams that I like to build, which has helped me progress my career. The biggest problem we were trying to solve with the intelligent search function was getting people to the right tree faster. We have dozens of trees that are out there. It was really overwhelming for our team at times to try and make sure that they were going down the right path. If they're able to search for terms that the customer is using, it's a lot easier for them to find the right tree. It's been really successful. We got wider adoption of our tier 1 team using Zingtree with the smart search just because they didn't feel as overwhelmed. They're not looking at this giant list of trees going, oh my God, which one am I gonna pick? They're able to just search a way that is a little bit more natural for them. So one of the biggest things that Zingtree helped us with at KOHO was increasing our contacts per hour. We went from about 1.2 contacts per hour a year and a half ago to sitting around 7 right now. So there's been a really big improvement just by making it easier to find the information that they need. We have not embedded it into our website yet. That's something that we're looking at. As far as how do agents use it right now, we're using it in the native Zingtree website. Unfortunately, it's not integrated into my team's CRM, but it is something that Zingtree is working on. I think that right now the integration process isn't quite there because it's not embedded into our actual platforms that we use right now. We're using it as a separate standalone tool, but I know that's something that Zingtree is working on, is to have an intercom integration, which will help us out a lot.